Bonjour, my friends. I'm Frankie, and welcome to Club Foodie. As much as I enjoy regular hummus, being a foodie, I like to elevate it and create other flavors. Besides my roasted red pepper one, in today's episode, I'll be sharing another favorite of mine, beet hummus. This sweet and healthy veggie is amazing, and it's incredible in this recipe. So let's get cooking. For this recipe, I like roasting my beets in the oven with some salt and pepper. I'm not showing you how because there's an episode where I share 4 different ways to cook them. To view it, click on the top right corner of your screen. Whichever method you'll be using, we'll let them cool to room temperature before moving on with this appetizer. In the bowl of a food processor, we'll add chickpeas that have been drained, our beets which are now at room temperature, a couple cloves of garlic, roughly chopped, then some freshly squeezed lemon juice and tahini. Do me a favor and make it from scratch. It's tastier, fresher, plus you'll be saving money too. So click on the link showing on the top right corner of your screen. We'll now process until the ingredients are somewhat smooth, scraping the sides of the bowl as needed. There will probably be some pieces of beet at the bottom of the bowl as well. While the machine is running, we'll slowly pour in the oil through the feed tube. I'm starting with 2 tablespoons because of the size of my beets, so if yours are bigger, adjust accordingly. Like earlier, we'll clean the sides of the bowl, and I suggest using a colored spatula so it doesn't get stained. After the oil is nicely blended, we'll add the seasonings, which are ground cumin, one of my favorite spices, followed by another loved one, za'atar. And by the way, you can make this amazing Middle East blend from scratch by clicking on the top right corner of your screen. Then, hot paprika, although you can use cayenne pepper instead, and a couple pinches of ground sea salt. We'll process once again until everything is well mixed. Of course, we'll taste and adjust the seasonings if needed. Mine was slightly on the dry side, so I'm adding another tablespoon of oil. I want the consistency to be velvety and smooth. Before serving, I like to sprinkle on some parsley and add some lemon zest as well. And my friends, this is our beet hummus. Tasty, colorful, and a nice change from ordinary hummus. This original recipe is a crowd pleaser. It's quick and easy to make, plus it's a healthy addition to your folder. So grab a couple beets and make this amazing appetizer. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!